Hi everyone, welcome back to the paint shop. It's Tuesday today. I've just got back from holiday yesterday, still feeling quite jet lagged with some long haul flights, but you know, you need these breaks, especially with everything going on all the time and really busy. So while I was away, obviously Elizabeth stepped in. I really thought her videos were fantastic. I hope you agree. They've done a great job. Guys have been cracking on with some stuff while I've been away. Paul's off this week, Duncan's here with me. So Duncan painted the little blue BMW that we've got here now. So it come out really nice. I've been in this morning, started flat and polishing it. So at the moment it's had a good block with some 1500 wet and dry, a bit of 2000, and then we'll Trizac it and get it polished. As you can see, just sort of started on this side, so that's coming together. We've still got the bumpers to paint for it, all the other bits and pieces that Duncan started setting up in the oven. You can see the boot and the front grill's all painted. That's the glass out of it that's got to go back in it. So it's come out really nice actually. He's done a lovely job of it. So I'll just be cracking on with that. And we've got some footage of Duncan, putting the colour on and the lacquer, so we'll run that in a minute. But as you can see, the van is really it's nearly there now. Sign writing looks amazing, really pleased with how the van's looking. It's just little bits and pieces now. On these back lights, it has like a bezel around the edge of it, and they sort of just deteriorate over years, I think, from the UV. So we're actually having some little covers 3D printed that will replace them. So the lights are got to go in. We're still waiting for the chrome to come back from the chromers. It should have been done, but they've been exceptionally busy. So hopefully the end of this week they'll be done. The engine's all sorted now, finished, all running up to temperature. There's a couple of little things to do, a couple of little grommets that we've got to get sorted out. Obviously the seats have got to go in, but they're all done. I've actually got them at home because they've all been covered and looking brand new. We've had a new carpet made that fits in the front of here, so I've got to collect that. So really it's like get the last little bits done at the end of this week, and then next week take it for an MOT. So it's going to be quite an event. I'm sure it should just sail straight through because everything's obviously brand new on it. So yeah, that's the BMW in the van. There's some of the panels for the BMW, the bonnet that's all painted. And like I say, Duncan's just setting up in here this afternoon to get all these bits painted. We've done, some changes to this car because we sort of changed it into an Evo spec. So there's like different spoiler. It's actually got aluminium doors on it as well now that it never had before. So yeah, it's looking really nice. So just going forward, I think we've got about 5 Mark 1 Escorts booked in at the moment over the next rest of the year, to be honest. One of them, someone's asked us to do a full build on one, the whole thing, so we're quite excited about that. We've got some really other exciting cars. We've got a Mark 2 Escort van coming to do as well. Like I say, just stacked out with plenty to do. So at the moment, I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. Obviously being away for a bit of time on holiday, it's really difficult when you come back to get into things again, but there's so much going on, I haven't got a choice really. So anyway, we'll hand you over to Elizabeth because she's got some footage of Duncan painting the BMW. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'll agree that Duncan done a lovely job of the BMW, so we just got to get that all put back together now. If you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, it's free to do so. Also now there's a hype button you can hit. I'm not quite sure what it does, but I'm sure it does something. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon in the next one.